Emma series has Wi-Fi connectivity and is compatible with Alexa for voice commands. Highlights. The Emma standard is available for Rs. 21,990. It offers up to 3,000 PA suction power. Emma standard and Emma pet packet 2,600 mAh battery. Trifo, a California-based company that develops iron robot-based technologies, has launched 2 affordable vacuum cleaning robots in India. The 2 models, Emma Standard and Emma Pet, have smart dynamic navigation features and will be available for sale via Amazon and Flipkart. Emma robots support Wi-Fi connectivity and are compatible with Amazon Alexa for voice commands. The Emma Standard and Emma Pet can also be controlled using the Trifo Home mobile app available on both the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. Emma Standard, Emma Pet price, availability. The Emma Standard is priced at Rs. 21,990, while the Emma Pet is available for Rs. 23,990. The robot vacuum cleaners will be available for purchase via Amazon and Flipkart. The prices have been slashed by Rs. 2,000 for the festive season from October 16 till November 16. Emma Standard, Emma Pet specifications, features the Emma series of robot vacuum cleaners by Trifo, packs a 2,600 mAh battery that provides a runtime of up to 110 minutes. It automatically returns to the charging base when it finishes a task or when the battery is low. Emma Standard offers suction of up to 3,000 PA, while Emma's Pet version offers a more powerful suction at 4,000 PA. The Emma Pet also provides an extra pet hair extractor featuring an anti-knotting function to ensure that long pet hair don't get stuck. Emma has a dustbin of 600 ml capacity, which means less frequent emptying. Emma's longer main brush and a 6-claw side brush creates a wide 9.05-inch cleaning path. The Emma vacuum cleaner has smart sensors under the hood that enable it to clean effectively. It has an onboard navigation system that continuously learns about the home environment and makes updates to improve cleaning routes. Users can also use Alexa to control the robot. It reacts to voice controls, such as Alexa, turn on Emma, to start cleaning. The Trifo Home mobile app can also be used to interact and remotely control the robot vacuum cleaner. Users can start, stop, and schedule cleaning jobs, get notified when finished, adjust the suction power, and more. They can also review previous cleaning trips. Earlier this year, Trifo had also launched the Trifo Max robot vacuum cleaner in India that comes with a home security camera. Thank you for watching.
Audio Jungle.